Hello students, welcome to Tech Simplified. Today we are going to discuss about electric charge. After watching this video carefully, you will definitely clear the concept of electric charge. So let's start this concept. Electric charge is one of the most basic concept of electricity. We experience electric charge in our daily life when we see lightning, when clothes stick together, or when we get a small shock by touching a metal object. To understand electricity properly, we must first understand electric charge. Okay? So, what is electric charge? Electric charge is the property of matter. It is responsible for producing electric force and electricity. Anything that has electric charge can attract or repel other charged objects. Electric charge is measured in a unit called coulomb. Now we'll see the types of electric charge. There are two types of electric charges: positive charge and negative charge. As we all know this, photons carry positive charge and electrons carry negative charge. Like charges repel each other while unlike charges attract each other. Now we'll see the charge inside an atom. Everything around us is made up of atoms. Inside an atom, there are three main particles. Photons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, and neutrons has no charge. Electricity is mainly related to the movement of electrons. Now we'll see how these objects get charged. Objects become electrically charged when electrons move from one object to another. This can happen in three common ways: by rubbing, by conduction, or by induction. When an object gains electrons, it becomes negatively charged. When it loses electrons, it becomes positively charged. Know that static electricity. When electric charges collect on the surface of an object and do not move, it is called as static electricity. Lightning is the most powerful example of static electricity in nature. So, now we'll see importance of electric charge. Electric charge is the foundation of electricity. Without electric charge, there would be no electric current, no electronic devices, and no modern technology. Students, these are all about the electric charge. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel for more easy learning. Thank you.